I'm so happy to see you guys again. So I am out the door here shortly. I wanted to show you guys. I know I had a lot of people waiting for this video because they really wanted to see these shoes. I mean, I was so excited when I was, you know, putting in my order and stuff, and when I was waiting for them, like, it was so hard. I mean, I just could not wait for these shoes to arrive. As you guys know, I was unable to have my surgery in March, so we're in April now, but in March I was unable to have my surgery, and so I just bought myself a little something to make myself feel better. So these are my like birthday shoes. This is like my birthday present. Please ignore my nail. We're still not open in Des Moines, so just wanted to put that out there. I'm so excited to show you guys these shoes. These shoes are beautiful. I mean, when I first laid my eyes on them, it sounds so corny, but when I first laid my eyes on these shoes, I was like, oh my God, I need these now. So let me show them to you guys. I already opened everything up. I mean, I was going to film an unboxing and I was going to unbox it on video for you guys, but it did not go as planned. I already opened them, so just keep that in mind. And I already tried them on, but stay tuned until the end of the video. You definitely want to stay tuned until the end of the video. I am going to announce something, and I am also going to show you guys something. So just watch until the end of the video. Like this video, comment, share, subscribe, all of that, and let's just get right into it. My ear itches. I don't know why. Okay. They are in their box, so I haven't worn them yet, but like I said, I did try them on, so I already took them out of the box and everything, but I put them back in. So they are these YSL heels. So this is the box. Can you guys see that? So that has the price on it, $9.95, and says YSL amber bow satin blase blah. So this is what the box looks like. How pretty and chic is this box, you guys? So pretty. It says Saint Laurent on the top, on the box there. Gonna do this here. I'm gonna see if I can master this. So when you open it, there is some wrapping paper, and the shoes are right there. So they did not come in the I put them in this in their own dust bag. So it comes with 2 dust bags like that. And that's the bottom of it looks like. Has like a little bit of paper and stuff. Do I need to show this? Is this corny? Do I need to prove that these are real? That's what that box looks like. So, and then it also comes with, obviously, the card. So how exciting is this? Oh my goodness, I was so excited to open these up. So let's just dig right in. Dig right in. These are going to be on display also when I am not wearing them, but how beautiful are these? Oh my God. Like, oh. I literally fell in love with these. So freaking pretty. Let me get the other one out. Gotta burp. Aren't they gorgeous? So I got them in a size 7 They pick up everything, I swear. I got them in a size 7, and they say Saint Laurent Paris on the right there. That's what the back looks like. Aren't they gorgeous? I thought they were going to be, I guess I thought they were going to be uncomfortable when I wore them. I did wear them for a little while. They're actually very comfortable. You can tell a designer heel from, like, you know, a pair that you would buy from like the mall, like say like, you know, Target, or buy at like Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe, like just wherever. You can tell a designer heel. These are just so sturdy, and I mean, they don't move. Like, absolutely beautiful. What really sold me, honestly, was the bow. Like, do you guys see how beautiful that is? The bow is not like made out of anything. It's like metal, and then obviously it has these little crystals on them, and I just think it's beautiful. I love this design here. I love how it has the like square kind of toe, whatever you want to call it. I love that, and I also love a heel with a cute thin strap. They also had one of these available, I believe, and it was without the bow. But if you're paying like $1,000 for designer shoes, I kind of want them to look different from what I already own, if that makes sense. So the bow just adds a little something to it, and obviously you're not going to tell that. I mean, from afar, you're not going to be like, oh wow, those are YSL heels, unless you really know. But you're not going to know that I'm wearing YSL heels, if that makes sense. So this just, you know, like I said, it adds a little something. I know this video is going to be so super short, but that's okay. I don't mind. That's what that looks like, and oh my goodness, I am so happy with them. They are gorgeous. They're beautiful. I cannot wait to wear them tonight. So that is what they look like. And I think, honestly, I'm going to display these on my shelf, and I'm also going to display the box as well. So the other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about before I forget, because I've been forgetting to talk to you guys about this. So I really want to put this in this video because I do not want to forget. I forgot the last couple of videos, so I do want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway. So I am at 111 subscribers, and I'm so extremely thankful for every single one of you who is subscribed to my channel. Those of you that are watching, and those of you that are giving me a thumbs up, thank you so much. It is helping me, and I do want to do a giveaway. I believe in giving back, so I want to give back to one of my lucky subscribers. So because I am at 100, well, now I'm past 100 subscribers. I was supposed to do it when I hit the 100 mark, but since now that I am past 100 subscribers, I do want to give one lucky person a $100 gift card to Sephora. And I will tell you guys what the requirements are, how to enter, and all of that. So please stay tuned. So this is how I'm going to do this. This is the first time that I am doing a giveaway. Please bear with me. I'm just kind of learning and seeing how other people are doing them, and then kind of tweaking them to my liking. So this is the first one that I am doing. I will be doing more as we grow, as my channel grows. So like I said, since I am reaching 100, since I've reached 100, I want to give $100 away to someone, just to show my appreciation. And this is how you can win. So I'm looking down because I literally made a list of everything, so I don't want to miss anything. So I will be randomly selecting someone from my subscribers list. So you have to be subscribed to my channel. And you also have to follow me on Instagram. So I have an Instagram, and it's linked in my bio. It's linked in this video in the description bar. So just follow me on there, and follow and be subscribed to this channel. and there's a way you can enter. A way that you can have a better chance of winning is if you notification bell on. So that is that little bell down by the subscribe button. If you turn that on to get notified when I post a video, you have a better chance of winning. And also to win, I would like anyone who wants to be given the chance to win, like this video and comment a heart down in the comments below on this video. After you've completed liking this video and commenting, you have to go to my Instagram and DM me done. And then you will be entered in to win a $100 gift card to Sephora. Now, I do want to also put this out there. Sephora does provide a lot of different unisex products, so male or female can enter into this giveaway, because you can buy a cologne or you can buy face stuff as Sephora next Monday. So not this Monday, I'm posting this video on this Monday. So the following Monday, 7 days from today, from today's video, I will be announcing the winner. So good luck. And I'm gonna say once more, thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for just everything. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Guys, one other thing I forgot to mention is you also have to have an email address. So when you guys are emailing me done, provide me with an email address that I can email you the gift card on. So I just want to do that also, just because I don't want anything to go in the mail. So this is how I'm going to do it. So it's going to be a gift card via email, and then you can go to the Sephora site and buy your products that way. That way, you know, with all this like craziness going on, we are not passing germs. I want to keep you guys safe and I want to keep myself safe. So also via email is how I will be gifting you the $100 Sephora gift card. So you guys, these are the shoes on. This strap is just like a little more snug. So I think I'm just going to make sure that's untightened a little bit. But these are the shoes on and I just really love them. Super cute, and I think they're gonna go really well with my outfit that I have on. Excuse this also, I was wearing shoes that were like uncomfortable, so, but that is what they look like. And I just have a pair of leggings on. That's not what I'm wearing on the bottom, but just so you guys know. So that is what they look like, and how cute.